So today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the viewer canvas in jGRASP. So I have this code here opened. It doesn't really do anything special since it just prints a string of letters, an array of letters. This part of the code right here sorts these names according to their last name, while this part of the code right here sorts these names according to their first name. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to run this program in the viewer canvas instead of running it in the console right here. So I'm going to click this button right here, and as you can see we have a new canvas window. Since I've already made a canvas for this program, I'm going to clear the canvas window. As you can see, it starts at the first executable statement, and if I click this button, which is the step in button, it will pass through the line, and now we have the object letters here in the variables tab. I'm going to drag that variable onto the canvas window. As we can see, we now have a visualization of our array letters, and it also indicates the index for each element. Now, I will step through the next line again, and we have here our counter for our array called letters. I'm going to put it next to it so we can see how it increments. I'm just going to play it. So you can see our I is incrementing because it's executing the loop so as to print the letters A until J. So there. So that's what it does. So for the next part of the code, I've created a set with these names, and then I'm just going to play. Okay, so our last name set has appeared in the variables tab, and I'm just going to remove this viewer since we're already finished with that. Last name set, I'm going to drag this onto the window. As you can see, it's still empty because it hasn't passed through this line because it's going to add the names in the set. So I'm going to play. There. We have last name 1. This is the first name that it's going to be comparing with last name 2. Last name 2. And as you can see, it's already comparing. And at the same time, it's already sorting. Now, it gives you a visualization on what actually is going on inside the program, and this is great if you're a visual learner or whatever. There, it compares soy with redondo, and it already sorts these names in the set. And now we have our name sorted. Now this part of the code does the same thing. Uh, it just sorts the names by their first name. And in your canvas, you can also change the viewer of your variable. You can also change the name, and you can also, and in the array, you can also provide index expressions on the array. Click viewer, then you can change it to presentation structure identifier. Well, it doesn't show anything, so change it back to collection elements. There. So basically, that's what this one, the delay slider, it controls the execution of the program. So let's stop this one, and I'm going to save this canvas window. Save. Oh, I'm going to click this one, and then I'm going to play it. And it's basically it's like an animation of your program, of the execution of your program. There, you can see it's sorting. It's already sorting. It's comparing every last name, and it's sorting, and it's being put in the set. And there you have it. That's all.